I'm sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe.
What up guys, it's Zach from Modified World, back with a brand new YouTube video, and of course it's another Forza video. This one we're going to open up 50 wheel spins. Hopefully I get something cool, and also I did get a controller today, so enjoy this little drift here. I definitely didn't lose control right here, but hope you guys enjoy this video. So what up guys, it's Zach from Modified World, back with another new YouTube video. Hope you guys enjoyed that little intro that I did. Tried something new, but in today's video we are going to open up some wheel spins. I have quite a few. I'm going to do 50. I did a little glitch, not really a glitch, but I did a race where I just kind of went AFK and got a bunch of wheel spins. If you guys want to know how to do it, I can make a video on how to do that. I watched a video on how to do it, and I did it, and I got quite a bit of wheel spins and leveled up quite a bit and got a lot of money. So it's definitely worth it in my opinion. So I think I have like 200 and something wheel spins, but I'm not going to do that many. I'm just going to do about 50. Yeah, 50 would be good. So I'm going to have my trusty old calculator so I can keep up. So we're going to do the 3 super wheel spins first. See what we get. Hopefully something good. Let's see. Alright. Complete garbage. But at least I did get a 350Z right here. Looks like a trumpet. Hopefully you understand that. So that's the first spin. Let's see what we get on the second one. Hopefully not garbage. Well, I mean, that's better. Improvement. Let's spin it again. Alright, I mean, I'll take it. I'm not going to complain. I mean, 225,000. Might do a video on doing a budget Subaru build. Would be cool. So that's 3 right there. So now we're going to do the wheel spins. It's 208 minus 50. I'll stop when it says 158. Alright. C63, not bad. Let's see. Alright. That's a dub. That's for sure a dub. Let's see what else we get. Terrible. I mean, could be worse. Would rather have the 125, but could be a cool little build. I'd like to have that Huracan. Can we get the Huracan? Alright, the Jaguar. Not bad. That Trans Am. If I would get that Trans Am, dude. Come on. Trans Am. I'll take the money. I mean, not going to complain about that. That's easy dubs. Oh, that Maserati. But, I mean, 300,000, I'll take it. But this Gran Turismo Forza Edition would have been a sweet. Let's hope we can get a Forza Edition car. That would be kind of sick. I don't know what the Forza Edition cars are in this game. But, I mean, I'll take that all day long. That Corvette would be nice. I know you guys saw it. Come on, Corvette. Unfortunate. But money's better than shoes. Like I said, I'll take the money all day long. I'll have money for days to build a car. That's what I'm talking about. Better than emotes and shoes. Alright, I'd rather have the Vans over that. If we're being completely honest. Let's see. Look, come on. See, it's just going downhill. It goes Mini Cooper, then emote. Come on. We are going completely downhill. Completely downhill. Not good, guys. Alright, that's better. We're starting to come up. Can it be a Forza Edition car? Okay. That's what we're talking about. Now, I want that car that was just on there. Come on. Can we win it? Not gonna complain. I have money for days to do a build on a car that we might get in this video. Not rocking with it. I want a Forza Edition car. Is it too much to ask? I mean, yours, however you say it, not bad. I mean, that's kind of cool. Legendary Halo Warthog horn. That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I do like that. I really like that. We got like 30 more left. That's like Jurassic Park right there. An ice cream van horn. That's cool. That's cool. Bro, they got a F-250 or F-450. That's cool. I didn't even know that was in the game. More money? I'll take it. We've got a lot of money this video. Not gonna complain. Would rather have shoes. Ooh, give me that Lamborghini. Come on. Come on, Lamborghini. Come on. Garbage. Dumpster fire garbage. Take it. Oh, let's go. That's a dub. I wonder if that's rare. Might be. Give me that drift car. I know you guys saw it. Come on, drift car, drift car. That's my reaction. Confused on why I'm not getting a Forza Edition car. Give me that buggy. Come on. Buggy, buggy. Give me the 175,000. Come on. Oh, okay. That's pretty sick. We'll have so many cars, it's not even funny. Take it. We've already probably got 1 million, honestly. I think I started with like 4.2 million. Money all day long. Easy dubs. Forza Edition car. Now that's sick. Definitely going to make a video on that one. Hopefully there's mods you can do. Garbage. Dubs. Let's go. Give me the Forza Edition buggy. Come on. I mean, I'll take that. That's a cool car. Give me a Forza Edition car. Come on, game, please. Alright, I'll take that. That's a cool car. I mean, that's a cool car as well. Don't know what that is. Would rather have the GTO. That's probably the ugliest car so far. Hey, the Hoonigan Bel Air. Let's go. Garbage. Alright, 4 spins left. I'll take a Q60, that's cool. I mean, that's cool too. Give me that Forza car, come on. Robbery. Wow. That's like something Young Thug would wear. Not good. Last spin. Let's see. Something good. Something good, please. I can't end it on that. One more. Well, looks like that's what we're leaving out on. Let's see what. Look at that. We legit went up like almost probably 3 million. We're sitting at 6.9. I mean, I'll take it. Not bad. Not bad. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this new video. Let's see some of the new cars we got here.
Some of the cars you don't have can be purchased from the auto show directly from here.
I guess the epic cars are the ones that are rare or better, I guess you'd say. Here's a rundown of what we got. 26 cars. Not bad. I mean, the coolest one's definitely this Corvette ZR1. But hope you guys enjoyed that video of 51 wheel spins. We did an extra one. We couldn't end it on an emote. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. Can't even talk. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.